Yeah, so thank you all. Thank, thank you all so much, students, for joining. So we will just have some, talk about the last 12 days till maybe, we get at least 4 or 5 students extra. So, uh, so how did the last 12 days go? We have come to the last 3 days. This last 3 days, it will be more of discussion oriented, not more of content sharing and stuff. We'll be pretty much into, discussing and creating new ideas, how we can brainstorm, or more precisely put, I want to give an idea of how brainstorming sessions and meeting rooms will be there in the company. So I want to give proper simulation of that, I can say. So this will be a sort of mock or simulated, uh, company session. All right. Yeah. So pretty much about it. So we'll wait. Yeah. Just for a couple of more students to join. Yeah, you can just give me feedback, very short notes of what you learned in the past days, past 12 days will be useful. Yeah. I'm waiting. You guys can just tell me what you learned during that. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Nandana. Yeah. If you can give me input, that will be great.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, buddy.
This is Chetan.
Brief idea
Sir,
about
this is
AI and
Chetan
ML,
speaking.
the mathematics
Yes, sir.
used in ML, classification, and about statistics. You got some ideas
Oh,
about
for
machine learning? Good. We will listen to that. Yeah. AI, top down, bottom up. Yeah. Support vector machine. Yeah. Very good. Okay.
Genius.
So the concepts. Yeah. Yes, buddy. You can say some. You can say. Just go ahead and say, buddy. Yeah.
Sir, in the past 12 days, we learned about the introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then uh, how's your life is, what is this your life project about it, and what are the ideas where we can implement as your life and all. And then we learned about supervised, unsupervised, like support vector machine, then linear regression,
Yeah.
classification, K-means algorithm and all.
Yeah.
Then we saw about the implementation of such algorithms, and we had an assignment of about what to say. We have to find it out more about that code. Then we
Okay.
had a session. Then we have a session on data science introduction. That
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
so the data science is something.
what would you say was your takeaway? Like, sir, now you sort of presented everything, and that's a really great job. That's what first of all we have to do. What, like, you got any idea, or you got like overall platform, overall, knowledge base of what is AI and ML, or did you actually think of taking this as a career path? uh, what it actually personally did to you, like, with respect to your future, did you take any decision as in the we can work on this particular area, I was impressed by this, something like that? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I do have one idea of creating a chatbot
Wow. Okay. Okay,
using
so you
AI
you
and
you
ML.
you are interested in
Chatbots, yes, sir.
chatbot. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome. What is the basic technology for chatbot?
Sir, like we have to use. I'm using Python as a base for the base of
No, what is that
for
field
the
called? If you want to create a chatbot, what is that
artificial
field?
intelligence.
What is the subfield in artificial intelligence called? I think we mentioned it a couple of times. If you want to create a chatbot, what is the field specifically called? I think we got 28. We will proceed. NLP. Yes. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Sarina.
natural language processing.
Natural language processing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Anybody else? With just any one more person, we can proceed.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, I am basically from electrical electronics department, sir. I
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
have any idea of artificial intelligence, but throughout these classes of attending, no, I have got many ideas of artificial intelligence because our college is going to start another department also, sir. Artificial intelligence, that is engineering course in artificial intelligence. They're going to start, sir. So I thought of just knowing gaining some knowledge on this, and really it was very interesting, sir. All the sessions were very interesting, and we really gained a lot of informations because I don't know anything about the basics of AI, sir. Now after this 13 days, I think that I have got gained some knowledge on AI, sir.
Okay,
So it
that's
will be
great,
useful
ma'am.
for me.
That's
Thank you,
great.
sir.
That's
Thank you,
great.
sir.
That's great. Oh, that's awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So, uh, super. This is what I want. See, the thing is, ma'am, given that you are a person, you didn't have any prior knowledge in A and ML, do you think this course actually laid the foundations from the very scratch? Like, I didn't
Yes, sir.
assume
Sure.
any prior knowledge, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Because I do not have it because I'm not a computer background, sir. I know embedded because I've done I'm done doctorate also, sir. But in embedded
Okay.
field, I don't
Okay.
have any idea of machine learning, artificial intelligence. I don't have any idea of all these things, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you explain, what you do is you give some examples, sir. Practically, you'll give some basic examples.
Yeah.
So it is very easy for us to understand, sir. Because we are also in an interest of learning all the informations, but generally taking the PPT and just going as it is not like that, sir. If you have each and every concept, you are giving some practical examples, and it makes us to understand more easy, sir.
Thank you.
We
Thank
can
you
reach
so
that
much, ma'am.
particular concept very easily.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you. That's great. That's great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the thing is, basically, apart from the mathematical part for which I have given PPT, every session has been recorded, I believe. Okay. So the thing that I want you guys to do is anything. See, as of now, I'll be open with you. I'm trying to learn TensorFlow. Okay. I just now completed the very what to say tenets of neural networks. So neural network, if you ask me to tell how it works and introduce it, that I will do. But from every researcher point of view, you need to come to a place wherein you need to understand why the neural network has that kind of advantage. Okay, why neural network has that kind of advantage. Okay, so I was trying my research work there, and I got a good level of insight. Okay, so that, with that being said, okay, what I do, I want to encourage you guys to do. Whenever you got a new concept at hand, take that concept and just analyze the entire concept. Not very in depth, but like what are all the basic topics available there for the 3 or 4 days. You just go ahead and see what are all the basic main topics available there. Okay, once you finish that, for the next 1 month, come up with a plan. Okay, for the next 1 month, come up with a plan, and in that plan, break the entire topic into smaller topics, and each and every day start finishing that topic. You understand? Start finishing that topic. All right. So that's what I'm talking about. All right. So okay, good. So we will get into our topic today, as we have presented already. Today I just want to talk very much about the um, building of a proper expert system. Okay, so that day we had some discussions, everything right. So today, what I want to do is rather, before going into Zoe Life, I want some proper areas presented from your end for expert system. And if I find that particular topic interesting, perhaps we can co-author a paper with you. Okay, so I want you students, I'll give you just 2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you just 2 minutes. Okay, you can start presenting the areas, or very specifically for this problem statement, for this purpose I want to build a expert system. So I'm not talking about areas now, I want problem statements. If you are able to give that, okay, I will go through that, and if I find a really interesting problem statement, I will go author a paper with you and we can proceed from that. All right, we have the proper team, and you can start typing in. I will wait now. I'll just give you 1 minute. You can. Okay. I have got a really good input from Chetan. Okay, Sarina Ahmed's input is also quite valuable. Yeah, it's also nice actually in one way. But Chetan, that's a really good thing. That's really great thing. We can integrate, mainly create it as an expert system, and we can also integrate some top-down approach, bottom-up approach to it. Yeah, that's great. So I've got just two. I've just got input from two students. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I wanted to do today. I didn't want a PPT based system today. Yeah, PPT based presentation today. I wanted to get your inputs. Okay, and that thing is great. Yeah, see again, Haindavi, your area, what you are trying to say is, a very broad area. Okay, I don't want, I want a problem statement. So now what Preetika Kumar said is a problem statement. That's a really, specific area. I want something like that. She has said identification of accident-prone spots in the road, and we can create a proper expert system for it. Okay, we can take into consideration what are all the various things that are, yeah, what are all the various things that affect road accident, and we can proceed. Okay. Yeah, okay. Ronak, that's also a fine area, man. That's also a fine area. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am, you have come with a very, very good concept, but you need to be a bit more specific. For disabled person, that's a great thing. That's a great thing, but you have to get a little bit more specific. Virus direction, very important. Okay, right. Okay, right. Yeah, you cannot pursue college after 12. Okay, that seems more like a product, Nandana Maheshwari, but okay, great nevertheless. Not an expert system precisely. Need to create application, monitor old age people's health. Okay, that can be an expert system. Monitoring old people health. Okay, capture moisture, temperature, fire, earthquake information. Yeah, a natural expert system for natural calamity. Yeah, that's a great thing. Kastubam, if you can create an expert system for identifying faults and mishaps within of automated factory, then that's going to be a really good thing. Like what precisely you call it is a control system. Okay, it's a branch of engineering. It's called control system. It has a lot of mathematics involved. Some basic starting from some basic concepts like PID controllers. Okay, proportional, integrated, and differential controllers. I think you might have heard about it. Yeah, it uses one step of proportional KX and one integration and one differentiation. Integration for the overall, time-based error, and differentiation for specific sharp errors. Specifically control system. Basically, that would be a very good area for an expert system. Yeah, nice. Blind and deaf people. Yes, ma'am. That now we are talking. If we can go specifically for one particular, defect like blind people, and create an expert system for putting all the all the needs together and solving it, that will be great. Yeah, that's awesome. I think we have got some really good concepts. Really, really good concepts. We will proceed from there. Okay. So now let me take something interesting. Okay. Let's try to form 2 or 3 expert systems today. Okay. No problem. Starting from Chetan. He gave the first input, and that's quite an impressive input. Okay. So this is what Chetan has said. Chetan, I am posting what you have said privately in the everyone group. All right. Yeah. So everyone.
Okay, sir.
Here we go. Yeah.
So there are some mistakes in the idea.
Okay.
For that.
No. This is a very basic idea, right? So no problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay.
I have seen many people say.
Sir, Parthiban sir, are you trying to say something? Okay. Your voice is sort of breaking, sir. Sir, can you type, Parthiban sir? Your voice is sort of breaking. Yeah. Is anybody else able to hear Parthiban sir clearly?
No, sir. No.
Actually, okay. Sir, if you type, that will be great. Okay. So now let's start. Okay, students, now all of you can pump in your ideas. Chetan, you can wait for some time since the idea is yours. Okay, you can present it, at last. The rest of the students, now you can talk either in voice or you can chat and say from where from the scratch we can develop this career path for students. These 3 days I want the sessions to be like this. No agenda, just discussion. We are trying to replicate what is going to happen in the industry. Okay, in an industry or in an IT company, okay, experts are going to sit in a room. They are just going to have a discussion. At the end of the discussion, they are going to see whether they have achieved something productively. If they have achieved something productively, who has contributed the most? That's how leaders emerge, okay, within a company or within an organization. So now, okay, I am like, imagine I am the boss. I have asked ideas from you and I'm quite impressed with this idea. Okay, I'm saying let's create a career path for students. Okay, many students who don't know where to go after their 11th or 12th grade, so it will be a great thing if you can build an expert system. Now, from where do we start? From where do we start? I'm not talking about technical. Okay, so don't tell me, sir, let's take Python and let's take a front end system. Let's start building an a software. I don't want technical details. Okay, there are both computer science and non-computer science people here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what I want here is, how do you properly create a framework? How do you properly create a framework? Understand? Okay, that's what I'm asking. How do you properly create a framework for this particular domain knowledge problem? Okay, that's exactly what I'm asking.
Sir, first of all, so can I speak now or at the last?
No, ma, you just wait for some time. I want others to pull
Okay.
in their idea. See, since this is your idea, you would
Yes,
have
sir.
a proper framework, okay? But I want other people to take a shot at it. If I am giving them a problem statement which they have not thought,
Yes,
how
sir.
will they actually work to create the basic expert system framework? Where will they start from? All right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's the reason. So I will come to you last. Definitely you will be the finishing touch in this particular thing because you proposed it. I'll come to you last. All
Sure,
right.
sir.
Yeah,
Sure, sir.
okay,
Sure, sir.
okay. By conducting
Sir,
program, yeah. Tell me.
sir, I think Parthipan sir has sent some message in the chat box. Kindly check it, sir.
Yeah, you can check, you can check. Yeah, so by conducting programs, okay, we should provide various variety of courses apart from usual courses. Okay, we should know the interest of students. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so that is the first thing for an expert system. Yes, Lavanya ma'am, area of interest of a student. Okay, marks and stream, very good. So now we are talking. So first, when a student has finished 12th, okay, we are going to sit with the student. Okay, somebody's audio is up. Yeah. Okay, super. So now we are going to sit with the student. All right, we are now going to sit with the student. And who is going to be the expert before creating the expert system for the student? Before creating the expert system for the student, who is first going to be the expert? Who is first going to be the expert?
expert
Huh?
expert person will give advice to us.
Yeah, expert person. Obviously there will be a physical physical expert person, or actual human being will be the first expert, right? Or in this case, okay, or in this case it will be us. Okay, in this case it will be us because we are trying to build it, and it will be us. Okay, this is a brilliant point. Who is the student operating under? Balaji. And this is how you start. Okay, this is how you start. So
Sanjana, sir.
Sanjana. Okay, so the first thing would be the interest of the student. Interest of the student. Okay, very good. Second thing would be what? The strength and weakness of the student. Excellent. Okay. Okay. We provide a full list of careers available for them according to the domain. That is also a great thing. What kind of talent? Yeah, Swati. That is what Sanjana said. Swati K. That's what Sanjana said. But that's very nice. Okay. And what Nandana Maheshwari is here saying is a very, very important thing. I will add the third point. Full list of career available to them according to the domain that they have chosen. Okay, that will be the third point. That will be the third point.
Sir, but
Yeah. Give them a comparison. That will be a
sir,
good
but
thing.
we
Yeah.
have to know everything, sir.
What, ma? Who has to know everything?
First of all, we have
Who
to
has
know
to
what
know
are the career.
everything? Who has
We
to
have
know
to know
everything? The expert or the student?
the experts. Actually,
Yeah,
the one who builds it should know completely about everything. What are the
exactly.
like courses?
Exactly, Ronak. That is
What
the
are
whole agenda. That is the whole
so it
agenda.
comes at
What do
the
you, how do
first
you achieve that? How do you achieve that? That is the
step,
agenda. That is the
getting into
agenda.
a group
How,
of
getting a group of,
so a group of council like education ministers
yeah, yeah, educational
or
experts.
education division,
Yeah,
those who handle
exactly.
it.
We can just put
Right.
a single common term called educational experts. There can be ministers there. There can be, academicians there. There can be industrial people there. There can be HR there who are actually going to recruit. Okay, we can put a proper expert team. All right, it need not be one person. Okay. Huh? Yep, yep. Fourth thing would be what Lavanya ma'am says. Okay, what is the current industry requirement? Current industry and future industry requirement, both we need to have. Understand? Both we need to have. Yeah, very good, very good. Then what I have taken three things: financial condition of a family, whether they can afford a particular course. Very good, that is an important thing. But currently, let me not add that, or maybe, yeah, maybe let's add that, yeah, because that's a very important factor also. Yeah, that's an important factor. Financial background. Yeah, financial background. Yeah. What else?
What about scholarships, like
Yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
avoid?
That'll be one thing. In that case, we can offer them scholarships, which can come under financial background. Okay, which can come under financial background. Okay, very good, very good. So now, since you have brought up this particular concept, we didn't exactly think of this one. This one is a beautiful concept proposed by Chetan. Now I will ask Chetan to talk in some time, but what actually we were discussing was a platform, a HR platform, which can be created for all the people working across all the corporate companies. You understand? So it will be a single platform to assess the integrity, the talent, and other details of that particular person. All right. So that will be a great thing. All right. Okay. So now, uh, yeah, vacancy available on different technologies is something similar to the fourth one: current industry requirement and future industry requirement. Yeah. Okay. So what we can do is, we can basically start creating this particular system when we have all these five frameworks, or even a little bit more. But this five frameworks, if we work on this, we will start creating a proper expert system for this particular problem. Yeah, this is what I was saying. I was saying that we wanted to create a platform wherein see, for example, Pavani P is there. She and Ronak is there. Okay, so now imagine Ronak is working in TCS and Pavani is working in CTS. All right. So now what happens? Ronak wants to move to Wipro. So what happens is that there is one single website in which entire details of Ronak is there, similar to monster.com or something, but it is not properly a website to search job. Okay, it is not a job portal, but it is a sort of, what to say, assessing portal. Okay, so there the managers of Ronak would have given what are all the various things that he has done, and Ronak himself can give a comment there. Okay, Ronak himself can give a comment there, stating that he has worked like this, and for this particular thing he has worked so hard. If some particular manager has given a negative feedback, then he can say during that particular time he went through some personal stuff and stuff like that. Okay, so what happens now? Imagine if Ajay Kumar Gandu is a HR. Now he can go and see Ronak's profile on that website. He can see Pawani's profile on that website. He can see any profile, how many years they have worked, where they have finished their degree, where they joined as a fresher, in what all company, what all work they had. Okay, so something like that. That would be a proper expert system for that. So now guiding 11th and 12th student into their career things is, that would be something really awesome. I would ask Chetan to talk now, but before that, I want to introduce a very important concept to you with respect to this particular thing. How many of you have heard of this concept called Ikigai? Ikigai.
Yes, sir, I have heard, sir.
You have heard? Who is this?
Yes,
Chetan?
sir. Rohit, sir.
Rohit, yeah, tell me. Tell me, what
Sir,
have you heard?
Sir, Ikigai is a Japanese trick, sir, like how to live long enough, happily and freely, sir. I
Okay.
think Ikigai means value of life, sir.
Okay.
So they have this kind of trick. I mean, this kind of strategy how to be live a life happily. So
Hmm.
first thing is, the first thing is, what do you love? Actually, what do you love? Like, if you do cooking, what do you I mean? If you love cooking,
Excellent,
so
excellent.
what
You
will you
seem to
do?
know it fully. So you can.
Yes,
I
sir.
will. I will share this thing with you. You can explain. You can explain it. Then I will touch upon it. Okay. This is
Okay, sir.
something that you students also have to learn. And apart from that, it is something that is required for this expert system. But it is very good if you guys know what is Ikigai and if you can apply Ikigai in your life. Go on, Rohit. Yeah, explain. Yeah.
So the first part is what you love. If you love cooking, so it's the most thing. If you love means, so that's what one part of Ikigai. I mean, we have not achieved the Ikigai full yet. So the second part is if the world needs. I mean, for example, if you love cooking and if you're interested to do so many things, like you have to try, we are trying, you are loving to try so many things means, so if the world needs it, like you are recognizable to the world means, so that's the second part of Ikigai, which the world needs. So first thing is love, what I mean, love what you do. Second thing is what the world needs. And third thing is, around, does it makes money? So for surely we all need money, so that we can survive. So does it makes money or not? And the fourth thing is skill, like improving the skill day by day, like training yourself to be like one of the best. I mean, to give the best output of yourself. So if you love cooking, you have to see it in all four ways. Like, if you love this thing and is it needed to the world? Yes, we humans need food so to survive. And the third thing is you can make money, like setting up a restaurant, a hotel, whatever. And the fourth thing is to be the best of yourself and to be recognized by the world. You should keep up with your skills, so that like you can go to the best line of cooking tricks. So that's one of the example what I gave.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Okay, so now I am clapping for you. That's nice that you have got this concept because whenever I find a student whom I'm personally mentoring and training, this is the first thing that I'll tell them. Okay, whether you are in this orange spot, I hope you can see my cursor, my hand. Okay, it is best that you take and you apply this to your life and you see to that you are in this orange spot. Okay, this Ikigai. Okay, you have to do what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can get paid for. See, what the world needs and what you can get paid for is in a lot of time, it overlaps. Okay, because if the
Okay,
world
sure.
needs something, definitely, you are going to get paid for it. But at the same time, in a lot of cases, it is not one and the same. You know why? The world needs people like Mother Teresa. Okay, it is something that the world needs. The world needs people like Mother Teresa. Okay, but nobody is going to pay you for being Mother Teresa. You understand? Okay, it is something like that. Okay, so not exactly all the time what world needs is something that you can get paid for. This is like where your heart is. This is where your mind is and where you can generate revenue for you. But this is where your heart is. Like what you want to do for the society. Or if I am rephrasing, you can rephrase this as what the society needs. Okay, what the society needs, and this can just be what you can get paid for. You understand? Okay, that's great. Okay, so now you guys have got a particular framework. Now do you think we can take this as a basic platform for building the expert system which Chetan proposed? Can we take it? if
Yes,
I
sir.
want to guide a 11th and a 12th student, can I take this? See, let's compare this thing and what are all the 4 points that we said. What is the first point that I said? Okay, what is the area of interest? What is the area of interest will come under what? What you love. Okay, and what are the current and let's go point by point itself. What are the strengths and weaknesses? It is going to come under what you are good at. Got it? See how it is exactly overlapping. Okay, and
Sure.
leave the third one. If you come
So,
to the fourth one, you get what the current and future industry requirements. Okay, that is what that is what this thing is for. What you can get paid for. Understand? Okay, and a full career thing available to them would be the the sort of knowledge base for them. And what the world needs is not presented here because we are talking in a very corporate manner, leaving out our social responsibility. Okay, if we bring that also, then it will be what the world needs. So what we listed, okay, what we listed is sort of almost 80-90% overlapping with the Ikigai concept. You understand? Okay. So now, what can we do for, yeah, Chetan, now you can talk. Okay, now you can talk. Now you can present your ideas of what you had in your mind. Okay, what you had in your mind to build this expert system from the scratch. Go on. Yeah,
okay. Thank you so much, sir,
yeah,
for taking my idea into consideration.
no problem.
So first, I would like to reframe. First, I would like to reframe all the 4 points which everybody has proposed. It. So first we have to meet that person. The person who's the child who's coming to us. First, we need to know about their weakness. What are they good at actually?
Okay,
Same. This is a same as like ikigai concept.
okay,
Okay, sir. So
yeah,
first we have to find out what are the strengths and weaknesses of the students. So based on that only, we can propose them as a particular thing, particular
Hmm.
career path
Hmm.
first. So
Yeah,
in which field they want to go? That will be coming under the second point. First,
yeah,
we have to analyze it where the person, what a student is good at,
hmm. Yeah,
and based on that, we can suggest some career paths to them also, and we can listen to their aspects as well.
hmm.
So this will be a two-way communication for them.
Okay,
And second will be the area of interest. We can ask them for what is their area of interest, and that is what I told. For
yeah,
first and second point, I told, sir. No,
yeah, yeah,
so
that's awesome.
yes, that's
Yeah,
awesome. Actually, thank you, sir.
yeah, super.
Then
Yeah,
what
yeah.
the world needs, according to Ikigai, if I go according to Ikigai concept, what the world needs,
Hmm.
that I think so we have to keep it aside first, because
Okay,
how the person wants to go. First,
okay.
we have to decide on that. We have to make a decision
Correct,
where the student wants to go.
correct, 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 correct.
So if a student,
We have to make at least one thing constant. We have to make the initial thing constant, because if we give to both of them, then the person is going to miss. He is definitely going to compromise on what he loves if you are going to influence him with the idea of what the world needs. That's correct. That's
yes,
correct.
sir.
Yeah.
I have seen many persons who have come from a very good background and ending up their career for somebody else.
Yeah.
There are some
Yeah.
persons like that, and I have one of my senior
Okay.
who has come from a biological background, and
Okay.
he is doing well in this in AI field, and he is doing masters in it.
Okay. That's great. That's great. That's great.
That is
So
based on his areas of interest.
yes, yes, yes. So what is the reason for the success? First of all, he found what he loved, what he loves. Okay. So what he loves to do. So that is the basic thing. So if you think you can create this kind of expert system, we can give it initially as a product for people to use. That will be a great thing that we can do, or we can even make it a paid service down the lane. Okay, that is something great. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Superb, superb. So see, this is what I want. So now each and everything that all of you said, it can definitely be created into an expert system, which somebody will be a customer. We can charge them a particular amount, and we can sell that expert system. This is how business ideas are born. Okay, so
Yes,
you
sir.
pull in all your ideas together, and you select any one, and you other people who are interested, who believe in that idea, they come together, and they form it. Okay, so now do you think that you guys can now I'll just take a count. Okay, I'll just take a count. How many of you people are ready to work on this idea, this particular idea of creating an expert system for guiding a student based on questionnaires? Okay, based on questionnaires, and this thing. Actually, giving up the final thing. Okay, actually giving up the final guidance for the student that this is what he can take. Okay, how many of you are actually interested in the idea? You can type it. I'll just give you 1 minute. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Kishore, sir, my
Yeah.
voice is clear now. Yes,
Yeah,
Kishore.
your voice is clear now, sir.
Yeah, Kishore, sir. Our student ambassadors, 40 plus students also interested to accept this system, to do this system, sir.
Okay.
Okay, why? Because that all are connected, that different students. Now they are connected with plus 1, plus 2 students. We already started that
That's
webinar,
great.
completed that upcoming 6 and 12 also we are organizing that webinar.
That's great. That's great. That's
Yes,
great.
all our students are interested. Yes,
That's
yes.
great. That's great. Superb. Superb. So the thing is, we can set up a team wherein group of people can be subject knowledge experts. Group of people can actually become what to say, technical people. Okay, so it's called horizontal and vertical teams. Okay, vertical team are the management people, the subject knowledge experts. Okay, horizontal are actual technical people who will be working on the system to develop this thing. Understand? Okay, and maybe we can
Yes, one more update, sir.
Yeah.
Kishore, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Already I formed one team that already that Chetan team only that creating one website for knowledge exchange community with Shubham Sharma and all. We are giving that input. They are also going to start that building that website. Yes.
Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome.
We already given all insights and inputs. Now they are preparing that. Yes. For your reference. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's great. That's great. That's great. Superb. Superb. That's fantastic. So see, whatever it is, you people have to take a particular idea and you have to start working on it and create a product out of it from the very scratch. Understand? So if you just do it for 2 or 3 things, no problem. Let it not become a product. Let it just be an idea level. But the thing that you can actually learn from it is going to be tremendous. Understand? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. So okay. So now let's talk about the databases. In an expert system, the databases are the main things, and the databases sort of interact with each other. Okay, they interact with each other, and that's how a proper output comes. So can you tell me, in this particular expert system, what are the several databases that we should have? Yeah.
So one will be student details database.
Okay, good. Can you keep on typing it there in the chat?
So this is Chetan.
Yeah.
Before creating a student database, I would like to add, like first of all, we need to create a database and the expert system in such a way that whatever the queries are given as an input from the students,
Okay.
or any person,
So
that
what
must
you are,
be given.
yeah, okay. So what you are actually saying, is, a proper structured questionnaire. Okay, and what
Yes, sir.
are all the possible inputs that the student can give? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
that's
first
great.
of all, we need to understand what are the questions will the student ask from us. So first of all, we need to become a student for that, and then only we can know what is the difficulty of a student
Correct.
according to that.
Correct.
So
Okay.
so if we become a student and if we know what are the areas, we know what are the areas and what is the future and all things. But some people are there who don't know where to start.
Okay.
So first of all, we need to create a database, questionnaire database
Okay.
that answers to their questions,
Okay. Okay.
and then we
Okay.
can update the student details.
Okay.
Kostubam's
Okay.
idea is correct, but
Yeah.
first of all, we need to update this database.
Okay.
We need to get it ready, and
Yeah.
then we can update the students' database so that it
Okay.
will be easy for us uh, to answer the questions of the students.
Okay. Okay. So now
Chetan,
now
what
I'm
you are
coming.
saying, Chetan,
Yeah.
Chetan, what you said is a part of making that student database that I mentioned. This is how we'll make a student database. That's the thing you described it in elaborative words. That's what I
Yeah.
just mentioned in
See,
student database.
now we are getting a proper real time, discussion. Okay. So what I'm saying is there are two aspects. So what Chetan is saying is where we can start. Okay. But you know what? Only if we can take data from at least 10 or 15 students, we'll be able to build that, Chetan. So, both of these things should go hand in hand. You know why?
Yes,
First,
sir.
imagine one student you are putting yourself in the shoes of a student. You will be only able to think of so much. Okay, you are not a student now. That is, I'm talking about you are not a 11th or 12th student. So you are not
Yes, sir.
actual. Yesterday we saw in statistics. You are not an actual sample. A real-time sample should come from 11th and 12th population. You understand? I'm talking statistics
Yes, sir.
terms. So once we get 10 or 15 students from there, okay, and create a database of them, and from their questions only we will be able to create the most perfect various options of questionnaires and answers that you are saying. You understand? So
Okay, sir.
both of these things should go in hand in hand. Okay, so let's take both of them into this thing. So is it presented in the chat? Okay, I will stop this. Is it presented in the chat? I asked to input two things. Okay, yeah, student details database. One, that is one thing. The second thing would be what? The main thing would be, as Chetan said, the questionnaire database. No, or you can say the mock questionnaire database. Okay, because the actually we are just getting it from just 10 students. Okay, or not even mock, the initial questionnaire and answer, okay, database, which is the sort of backbone. See, again, this is the beauty of when a person who has proposed the idea comes up. You know why? Because as much as the student's database is important, this initial questionnaire and answer database will become the backbone of this entire expert system. You know why? Because that is where all the questions are going to go finally. You understand? Whatever it is, this can become the entire framework. Understand? Okay, right. So the other thing, question and answer system, list of courses. Very good. List of courses, and before that, what? List of domains. Varshipriya, that's correct. Okay. So list of domains or career paths. Domains are nothing but career paths or career fields. Okay. For example, AA is a field. Computer science is a field. Okay. Or computer science would be the broader field. In that, AA will come, and even web designing will come. Everything. Okay. Okay. Entrepreneurship ideas should be something that should happen at the end of the professional course. Okay. And rather than the beginning, the culmination will be entrepreneurship ideas. So career path, list of domain career path, and inside that list of courses for various courses under various domains. Okay, so we got what, approximately what, 4?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We have got exactly 4.
yeah. Okay, what else then?
Kostuma, I think the details of further studies will be coming at the last. First, we need to know where the student. We need to understand the student perspective.
Okay.
If the student wants to study further at the initial stage, what you'll do?
Um, See, what do you mean study further? At 11th and 12th, they have to study further, right? That's the reason why they will be coming to our expert system. I didn't get it. Can you again repeat that, Mark?
So further studies. So for
Oh,
example,
further studies, you mean higher studies? You mean higher studies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
no, no, no. Now let's stick to the problem. We are just talking about 11th and 12th students. So we will be just concentrating on UG programs. Yeah, list of colleges and universities. That is great. That is another important database. List of colleges and universities. Okay, list of colleges and universities. 5 databases we have got. Okay, yeah, specialty in each courses. Yep, like we can, yeah, definitely we can add that as a sub database under the courses. Okay, we come under the courses. Okay, under various courses, what is the specific specialty of that thing can come. Mentality, some students have idea of career, in other hand we have some student dilemma. Okay, we want to create something for this. Okay, and help them out. Super. Okay, I'm asking specifically for databases. Okay, what are the various databases that we can have? Because once you got the databases and once we got the Chetan's questionnaire backbone, you can connect the questionnaire to various databases and that's it. You have got the very baby form of expert system. And then once you sort of keep on fine tuning it, you will get the best possible expert system here. You understand? Okay. So maybe, yeah, you can take Parthiban as lead in this case. So since he's saying that there's already an existing project, maybe you guys can start working with them, working there, and contribute the knowledge and idea that you have gathered here, and try and build something like that. Understand? So this is how you start from the scratch. Okay. See, at the beginning of this 1 hour, we didn't have. Okay, at the beginning of this 1 hour, we didn't have sort of any business idea or any problem statement or anything. See, at the end of this 1 hour, now we are having a potential product, potential expert system that we can build. We don't know whether we'll be able to monetize it or not, whether somebody will be ready to pay to use that service or not. All those things are secondary. Okay, but we have now got a basic potential, product idea in our hand, and we know the basic structure for it and how we can push it on to build something like that. You understand? This is what I'm talking about. In this one particular session, that is what I wanted to achieve. All the previous sessions, you sat and you listened to what I had to say. In this particular session, you guys came together and some of you took a lead and you proposed ideas, and when I approved of any one particular idea, the rest of you came together, contributing to that idea and creating a proper framework. Now you need to have somebody like Sai Baba or Shushmita who can take a proper documentation of this thing, put everything on paper, properly present it, and give it at the end of the day as a PPT or something. So PPT by PPT, day by day, we will be able to keep on increasing some delta X to the basic idea, and we can start working, and that's how real-time industrial products are built. You understand? Okay. Yeah, basic collection of trending fields. Yes. Yeah, trending fields. That's exactly, buddy. That's what I meant by domain. Okay. Yeah. So now I want, other. Yeah. Yes, ma. Tell me. Tell me.
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt, sir.
No problem.
We can add Sai Baba's point at the last, sir. After we give the list of colleges and universities, we can propose them there are such a kind of entrance exams which we need to clear.
Oh, that's a nice thing. I completely missed it. List of entrance. I didn't see his input at all. Okay. List
Sai
of
Baba
entrance.
has given.
Okay.
Thanks,
Okay.
Thank you, Sai Baba.
Yeah. That's really nice.
You're welcome.
That's a really nice point. List of entrance exams is a must. List of entrance exam is a must, and it's a very, very valid database. Yeah, good. So now, like what, we got 6 databases? We got
Yes,
6
sir.
databases? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. Superb then. Fantastic. So now, someone other than Chetan. See, the reason why I'm asking for someone other than Chetan is always the person who has proposed the idea will be able to do a brilliant job. But now you are going to be part of a company wherein there will already be a domain knowledge expert who is going to propose some kind of idea, and you guys should be having the ability to take it, understand it, assimilate it fully, and present it finally in one consolidated form. You understand? So that's a very important skill that is required for any domain knowledge expert. You understand? Yeah. So who is going to take? Not just one person. We have the last or 5 minutes left. Who is going to take it? Who can actually take that job and do of presenting what is the product about, what are the several things that we discussed, how we are going to build the expert system, and what are all the final databases that we spoke about. Yeah.
Sir, can I? I think
Yeah.
Kastuvam said it first, so let him.
Yeah.
Kastuvam
Customer, you
start
want to
first.
start, customer?
So we can do it as a team as also. So
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, buddy, that's there. But I want any one person to go on and say it fully, and another person to go on do the same thing. I'm trying to present a skill here. That's the reason. Understand? So who wants to go ahead?
Sir
okay, sir.
actually
Then
needs a
I'll do so.
Okay,
documentation.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me,
sir,
documentation.
I'll.
Sir, actually you need a documentation about this idea.
No, I don't
Like
need.
from
I'm just saying.
what is the topic?
I'm no,
No, sir.
I'm just saying when we are building expert system, documentation, and if some person is doing, that is very essential for building the expert system. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I just presented that idea. No, nothing more. Yeah. Now, who wants to go ahead and consolidate the entire thing? Rohit, Bhaskar, or
Yes, sir, I'd
Kasturba?
like to say something, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, whatever Mr. Chetan Kumar said,
Hmm.
it's already there, sir. I mean, what to say means there is a YouTube channel called LMES, Let's Make Engineering Simple.
Yeah.
So they created a website called pickmycareer.in, in
Hmm.
which they are doing this entire thing, sir. So, for example, if I mean, they are doing for the 10th and 11th, 12th. I
Hmm.
mean, 10th and 12th people. So, if someone is not interested in those fields, I mean, they'll list out some kind of fields, like they can go like whatever they want to choose, and they'll have some, like, I'll tell the steps how they are doing, sir. This is the
Yeah.
first step. Like they'll choose anything, like whatever for namesake they can choose something, and for some people who is very interested in particular field, they'll choose that thing. So after this thing, they'll have a analysis test. Like in engineering also, we have this thing called AMCAT test. Like the companies will test on which area we are strong in, particularly in programming, whether we are good at it or not. So that kind of test they'll take. After this test is over, they will produce a result in which field the particular person is very interested in, or who is very strong in that. So after that, like if that person is very interested in max, so they'll have at the end of this thing, they'll have the max expertise
Okay.
videos
Okay.
who will say about these things, like what can you join and how can you proceed in this,
Okay.
and what are your future goals can be. So this kind of thing they have added in the end of this things, sir. So
Okay.
even you can try, sir. I
Okay.
mean, if you
Yeah.
log
No.
in.
The thing is, see, that's what I'm saying. There's not just one AC company in this world. There are so many AC companies, and all of them are making profit. Am I right?
Yes,
Similarly,
yes,
there's
sir.
not one car company. So what I'm saying is, if this is the original idea, and those
Yes,
fellows
sir.
don't have a competition, then I think definitely you guys can give a shot at it and try to build. See, I'm not asking you to bring it out as a business idea or a product. Now you are in your learning stage. Think that you are going to make this a business and start working on it. You understand?
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
it is there, I agree. But if you can not replicate, if you can start the same idea from your own and build from scratch and come to something that is totally worth it. That's what I'm saying. You
So,
understand?
no, sir. Actually, I did not mean in that
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
sir.
I know,
Actually,
I know. You did not mean it that way. You just said that,
what I wanted to say is that when it's a new idea, it's a startup, and it's a common thing. It's a business, sir.
Yep.
We can get into that,
Yeah.
and we can see what are the
What are the
drawbacks
things?
they
Yeah,
have.
that's exactly what
What
I'm
are the
talking about. No,
drawbacks they
Rohit,
have,
I am
and we
not
can add
saying,
up, and
I'm
we
not
can
accusing,
see.
I'm not accusing you of comparing. What I'm saying is,
No, sir. No,
first of
sir.
all, yeah, I'm first of all saying that, this is a good idea. We can try. And, what I'm saying, I just wanted to address that to Chetan rather than to you. And second
Yes,
thing
sir.
that I actually wanted to say is that LMES, yeah, they're definitely doing a great job. But when there is just one person out there in the market who is doing, then there is definitely tremendous scope for you to be the second player, because in most of the cases the second players have all overtaken. For example, you see, I think Yahoo was around for a lot of time before Gmail became proper. Became famous. Now look at the market share of Google and look at the market share of Yahoo. You understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, that's fantastic. Guys, I really had a really productive session, and good that you guys were able to understand and contribute to what makes to an expert system. So tomorrow we will do more or less the same thing for, I think, machine learning is tomorrow's topic. Looking forward to meet you all tomorrow. Yeah, have a great time. Yeah, see you tomorrow all. Thank you all so much. Yeah, bye.
Thank you so much, sir.